Hi, friends. Cassia here with you again, with some more of my dear and special friends, and why one special spice is so dear to their hearts. Now let me introduce you to them. Meet my cool friend Bass and his love for flavors. His journey begins with one of his favorite things in the whole world, his grandmother's banana bread. There was something extra special that made his grandmother's banana bread the best, and that was a pinch of allspice. One day, while Grandma was mixing the ingredients, Bass crawled over to the spice cabinet. He reached up and grabbed a little jar of spice. The smell made his tiny nose wiggle with delight. "Grandma! Grandma!" Look, holding up the jar of spice. "Grandma, this smells so good, can we use this in our banana bread?" "What is this?" Bass asked. "It is called allspice." Grandma added a pinch to the recipe. Bass watched as Grandma sprinkled the allspice into the batter. The kitchen filled with the most wonderful aroma as the banana bread baked. When it was ready, Grandma gave Bass a big slice. "Yum!" he giggled, his eyes twinkling with happiness. Whenever Bass saw the allspice jar, he remembered the first day he tasted his grandma's favorite banana bread, and the love in every slice. This is how allspice became Bass-beloved spice. Now meet Sunrise. Sunrise's journey begins with a visit to the local ice cream shop with her mom. In this ice cream shop, you can find the most delicious ice cream ever. Sunrise's favorite ice cream was strawberry swirl, but she decided to try another flavor instead. Sunrise asked the kind ice cream man, whose name is Frank, "Do you have any new flavored ice cream that is special?" Mr. Frank gives Sunrise a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream with the most delicious flavor. "This is wonderful, Mr. Frank." Sunrise said, "You have to try this ice cream, Mom." Mr. Frank said it is made with a special spice called star anise. Sunrise said, "Mom, can we use star anise in anything else?" "Yes." Sunrise, "We can use it in a lot of recipes like jams, cookies, foods, and hot and cold drinks." "Wow," said Sunrise. The next day, Sunrise and her mom decided to make eggnog with star anise. Sunrise's eyes sparkled and with a warm feeling inside. This is how star anise became Sunrise's beloved spice. Meet Arlo. Arlo's journey begins with his love for stews. Arlo have a big love for hearty meals. His favorite dish of all was his dad's beef stew. One chilly evening, Dad was in the kitchen, preparing the stew. Arlo crawled over and saw a bunch of green leaves on the counter. He reached out and grabbed one. "Dad, what is this?" Arlo asked, waving the leaf. Dad smiled and said, "That's the one special ingredient that makes the stew extra magical. It's called bay leaves." "A bay leaf, Arlo. It's like a little treasure that makes our stew taste amazing." Arlo's eyes widened. "A treasure? No wonder your stew always tastes so fantastic." "Yes," Daddy nodded. "When we put the bay leaf in the stew, it adds a special flavor, like a warm hug in every bite." Arlo watched as Dad dropped the bay leaf into the pot. As the stew simmered, the smell filled the kitchen, making Arlo's tummy rumble with excitement. When the stew was ready, Dad gave Arlo a small bowl. Arlo took a big spoonful, and his face lit up with joy. The beef was tender, the vegetables were soft, and the bay leaf had worked its magic, making the stew taste just so perfect. Arlo said, clapping his little hands. "Bay leaf makes it the best." From that day on, whenever Dad made beef stew, Arlo would search for the bay leaf and drop it into the pot himself. It became their special tradition, a magical moment that made each meal together even more special. Every time Arlo tasted that delicious stew, he knew the bay leaf had sprinkled a little bit of love into every bite. This is how bay leaf became Arlo's beloved spice. Hi. Thank you for getting to know my friends and their love for that one special spice. Well, I have to run now. As you can see, I am all dressed up, off to dinner with my dear friends. Do come back for more stories and to meet more of my dear friends and their love for that one special spice. See you all soon.